Looking to build or rebuild your credit? The Fingerhut credit account might be your solution. Designed for people with little or no credit history, it's easier to get approved for than traditional credit cards. Fingerhut offers a line of credit you can use to shop from their online store and reports to all three major credit bureaus, which means on-time payments can help improve your credit score. Plus, there's no annual fee. Just shop from their online catalog of thousands of products and pay over time. The benefits? No annual fee, monthly payment options, and an easy approval process, even if you have less than perfect credit. On-time payments can help raise your credit score over time. While interest rates may be higher than typical cards, using it responsibly can make it a smart stepping stone toward better financial health. It's a smart way to access credit, shop responsibly, and build a stronger financial future, all without hidden costs. Just remember to make payments on time to see the benefits.